I'm Eric with 1073 Crypto. If you've been here before, glad to have you back. If this is your first time, welcome. If you could, please do me a big favor, hit the like and subscribe button. That does make a difference. Now today what we're going to go over is the Coinbase app. If you're new to getting into crypto, or you want to kind of check out Coinbase, or you want to know more about it, then this is the video for you. We're going to go through the entire app, front to back, hit it all. Now, if you don't have Coinbase yet, but you want to get it, there's a referral link down in the description. You can use that referral link and it'll get you $10 in Bitcoin for free when you sign up and then deposit $100 in your account. Now, once you put the money in, you can take it back out, do whatever you want, it's your money. But that referral link's down in the description. Now let's get started. The app, you first get in, we'll go through this page. This little bell up here in the corner, if you click on it, that's your notifications. You can see here, I'm watching a couple different coins. You can go into settings, you can customize your notifications. Want to take a break, you can turn them off. So, that's your notification. This little button right here, cover this in another video. This is your referral link, or one of the links to it. You can click on that and it tells you all about the referral program. This is where you get your code. Just click copy, paste and share. And basically your friend, whoever, will get $10 in Bitcoin when they deposit $100 in their account, and you will get $10 in Bitcoin as well. And your balance, you notice I've got little dots so you can't see what I have. The way you switch that on and off, you just hold it, boom, then it'll show your balance. Then if you want to make it disappear, hold it again, and it goes away. So basically it's just kind of like a privacy feature. Up here you got these three. This is the menu tab. And here it's just got like your profile settings, learn and earn. This we also did on another video. This is where you can go in and take like little quizzes and you'll earn free crypto. So they've got like fetchy here, and it's got different blocks of instruction. Let's see. I've already done these, so I can't learn any. I mean, I can't get anything out of it as far as free crypto. But say you want to go back and refresh, you can go back and do it again. And this one you can see it was $3, and you had 3 little blocks of instruction. Another one, 3, another one, 3. Luma. And periodically they'll refresh. These will kind of come off and new coins will come back up. So you just kind of monitor it. I think I've made like $48 in free crypto through this way. Okay, back up to the menu and borrow cash. And basically this where the app allows you to borrow based on the Bitcoin that you have. So you're kind of using your Bitcoin as collateral, and then you can borrow cash from the app. This is like their staking program. You got these coins down here, and you can see they got a pretty nice annual percentage rate. I'm not staking any here. Come on down, invite a friend, and if you click on this, it's going to take you to the same place as the one on the main page. And there you go, just another way to get there. That's the same as that button. Then down at the bottom you have send a gift. This allows you to send crypto to other people. You just click on the crypto, like say they need Ethereum, click on Ethereum, send them as much as you want. It shows, that's how much you have. You can't send more than what you have. So you just click on it, say we're going to send the whole max amount. You hit continue. Tells you, need to top off. So I'd top off, and basically it's a gas fee. It's what it's called. where you have to pay to use the network. So that's the menu. Of course, sign out. Finish the main page. Of course, they got buy, sell, send, receive, and more. Go ahead and click on more. So they got little shortcuts. You want to add cash, you want to cash out, basically send your money to your bank account. You want to convert, we'll cover that in another video if you want to switch from one crypto to another. So you want to sell your dog coin and put it into Polygon. So you could take it and just switch it. If you want to receive, send, sell, buy, we'll go over that. Send, we kind of already showed a little bit. It's like if you want to send it to a friend. Receive, somebody wants to send it to you, they have to have your address to send it to you. And of course, buy and sell. So that's what the buttons are. And up here, you can see in the middle, they got like a couple little information articles up here. Then going down, you got the watch list. Basically, this is the coins that I'm kind of watching right now. You can add or take off the coins that you want to watch. It shows you how they're doing. Click see all. See all will expand that section. Yeah, there you go. So you see all the different coins on there. Now you can see how it says like Economy down here has non-tradable. What that means is you cannot buy it or sell it on the app, but you can go in and see, like I can still monitor and see how it's doing on the market. If you want to see the coins that are new to Coinbase, these are the ones they've started carrying. Tradable, that's the ones that they trade on Coinbase. If you want to look and see which ones, all the assets. You got your top gainers, ones who are doing great right now, top losers, ones who are going downhill. And here you have the top movers, and this doesn't mean that you're only moving up. It could mean that they are also moving down. You see this one's down 16%. So it's just kind of like a little quick view. Then here, usually got like little articles and information. You can see here again is the referral page again. What is Cardano? Tells you about that type of currency, the cryptocurrency. How to earn rewards. So it's kind of like a little information. They also got some news articles. Yeah, here you go, news. So you can kind of get a little bit of research if you want to look into something. And if you're going through and you want to go back up to the top, you can just hit the home button again. So that's that page. Now move over to assets. Assets, same thing, the little bells, your notifications. Now this one right here is if you wanted to, say you wanted to send this to somebody, you just hit that little button, boom, hit that, and it'll show you, that's the percentage of your assets. Like, so I got 69% is on the Polygon. And then at the bottom, you got like a bar graph. You can see how the colors correlate. Okay, the menu still stays the same, comes with you. On this chart right here, this is what your stuff is doing. So this is all time. So you can see back when I first started, like back in April of last year, didn't have anything, and then over time it's gone up. Then that's when we had a big drop at the first of the year. And now it's going back up again. But you can do it by the hour, by the day, week, month, year. And you see, I haven't been here that long. And this covers all your assets, so it'll show how much you have in each one. Same thing, hit the all and expand it. Take the back button, take you back to the page. Here's some more articles about how to grow your balance. And all three of these are actually in the menu. The learn and earn, the earn interest, and the borrow cash. Those are all in the menu. It's just another way to get there. So that's the asset page. Now on to trading. Now trading, this is where you can buy, sell. You can do it just about any page. But this is the trading page with Cardano. Cardano's doing good. So you wanted to see about buying some Cardano. Well, you can go in here and do a little research, kind of see how it's been doing. See how big. So it had a high of 310. It's currently sitting at 119. Here's a couple articles. There's information about it. White papers. White papers refers to the kind of like a business outline. Be a good way to explain it. But you can click on the white papers for Cardano. And this is kind of like their mission, what they're doing. Breaks it down for you. But pretty much any real crypto, you can always go to the white papers and see what they're doing, what's going on with them, and the use for it and stuff. So, website link. So basically it lets you do a lot. Like you can see for the past year, they're up 70%. You can kind of see market cap, volume, circulation. So basically it lets you kind of research and learn more about the currency the cryptocurrency that you're looking at purchasing. So it's a good little place to get some research. So let's say, we did our research. We're like, oh, let me go back. This little star right here, if you click the star, when it turns blue, that means it's in your watch list now. So if you wanted to watch it, turn it off. Boop. And then the same thing, if you go to your watch list and you want to take one out, it'll already be blue because you're watching it. You can just hit it and it'll go clear, and that means you're not watching it anymore. And if you wanted to send this to a friend or somebody, but look, I'm looking at this coin, this is what I got, and you can just hit that and it shows them. Okay, but we did our research, we like it, we say we wanted to buy it, so we hit the trade button. So you want to buy it. Okay, go in here, you just enter in your amount, how much you want to buy. So if you want to buy $100, a one-time purchase, and you hit preview buy. So it shows us for $100, that's how much you will be getting. So there's a $384 fee going to Coinbase. And like if you go to buy 100, they're not going to take the 100 and then add their fee to it. They take their fee out of that $100. So it shows you actually only purchasing 96.16. You can set it up where you can do it weekly. And then you hit the buy now button and it'll go into your account. You see how it just changed. It's where the market's changed. So the amount you get is changed. So it's very fluid. And of course, right here it is your in the middle. That's where your funds are going to come from. So this would be coming out of my bank account. And right here you can set daily, weekly, the 1st and the 15th, or monthly. So you can set up a reoccurring purchase and it'll just do it automatically. One time. Okay, going back. So that is the trade tab. And now you know how to buy, pay. Okay, this is the pay section. This is a Coinbase card. They don't have it yet. You can see it's got join the wait list, where I guess they're going to have their own debit card where you'll be able to use the card to spend your crypto. So if you want to go get, you got Bitcoin, you want to go get some gas in your car, you don't have any cash, you can spend your Bitcoin. I'm assuming that's how it's going to work. It shows recent transactions. You want to receive. So if someone's going to send you crypto, you've got to give them an address so they know how to send it to you. And this is how you get your address. Now, you don't use the same address for everything. And what I mean by that, you have to pick the cryptocurrency that you're going to be receiving. So you click down here on the cryptocurrency. Right there, it was set up for Polygon. Let's say someone's going to send me some stellar looms. I'd select stellar looms. You'll see down here at the bottom, stellar looms. And right here is the address. You can do a copy and paste, or if they're right there with you, they can scan the little barcode and it'll automatically go right into their wallet, and they can send it to you, or their app, however they're sending it to you. So that's how you would receive crypto. If you want to send crypto, kind of reverse process, you're going to pick what you want to send them. So let's say we're going to send them some AMP. You'll click on AMP. How much you want to send, you'll put in there. So we're going to send them everything. We're done with it. We want to send it away. Continue. Now it says up here, I got to add some money from my bank account to get it to go through. Basically what that is it's called gas fees. Kind of like if you went to Western Union and you wanted to send money to somebody, you're going to have to pay them a fee to use their service. And that's kind of what gas fees is. It's basically you're paying for them to send your information securely and make sure everything gets there okay. So that's what the gas fee is. Kind of like you get in your car, you need gas to go, same thing. So that's how you send. So that's all four. We'll go right back to home. That's pretty much. There you go. That's all there is to it. Now you're a master with the Coinbase app. Hopefully I answered any questions you may have had. If you do have any questions that weren't answered, or there's something you're just not sure about, just drop a question down in the comment section and I'll get back with you. Now, I appreciate you tuning in today. Once again, I'm Eric with 1073 Crypto, and as always, stay safe.